Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Helpline 300N wireless repeater in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Helpline 300N wireless repeater. Resetting the Helpline 300N wireless repeater is necessary when it stops working properly, forgets saved settings, or you lose access to its login details. A reset clears all custom configurations and restores factory defaults, giving you a fresh start to set it up again smoothly. Now plug the Helpline 300N into the main socket and wait until the power LED is steady, not off. The internal reset switch is read by the device only while it has power. Look for a steady power LED. If LEDs are off, confirm the socket and try another outlet or check the plug. Inspect the device edges/back near the RJ45 port or underside. The reset is usually a small unlabeled or labeled pinhole, often labeled reset. Use light to see it. Place the repeater on a flat surface or hold it so the reset hole faces you, support it with your non-dominant hand so it won't move when you insert the tool. Don't hold the device by the antenna, if one exists, hold the main body. Insert the paperclip/SIM tool straight into the hole until you feel a small, gentle click. That click is the internal push switch. Depth required is small, usually 2 to 5 millimeters. That click confirms you've reached the reset switch. If you don't feel a click, you may not be contacting the button. After 10 seconds, release the button. The LEDs will blink, and the repeater will automatically reboot. Wait 20 to 30 seconds until the LEDs stabilize again. The reset process erases your all settings, so you need to set up the extender again. After resetting the Helpline extender, plug it in and connect your phone or laptop to its default Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable. Then, open a browser and go to 192.168.10.1, log in with the default admin details, and follow the setup wizard to reconnect it to your main Wi-Fi network. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.